Guys, what's up? Welcome to the Buva Crew, a place where you can come and watch all sorts of things that happen on a small beef farm here in the woods, kind of ish. Anyway, so today we were plowing food plots and we plowed them with a little tractor, and then we went over with the drag harrow. So come and join us on this journey as we do whatever we do here in the summer and winter and fall and spring and whatever. So please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and clicking that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And let's get on in with the stuff. Alright, so we are plowing food plots right now. I just finished one right here, and now he's heading off over there. Doing that one. It was really fun to watch. Yeah, so I kind of went diagonal here, and then I went back and forth straight to kind of break up some of the smaller clumps. Mowed this yesterday, let it dry out, and now we're back plowing. Alright, so we finished plowing up the plots. Look like that. Looking really nice. The drag harrow on the four-wheeler, we're going to go over it quickly. This is going to be able to break up most of the clumps, and we'll let it dry for a week or so, or whenever we get to it next. Probably maybe plow it up once or twice more and go over it with a drag harrow again, and then we'll plow. Alright, almost done with this plot. I've pretty much gone over it once. I'm going to go over it a few more times, try to break up as many clumps as I can, then we'll move on to the second one. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for all sorts of new videos. There's some possible water sports videos coming out soon, like tubing and jet skiing. So yeah, just come along with us, stay tuned, and hope you enjoyed today's video. Catch you next time.